Jared Fishing Adventures out here for another video. About to go take my boat out, throw some casts, get a lot of fish on. Alright guys, we're out here on the lake now. Got my trolling motor on here. She might die soon though, but it'll be alright. We'll last the day. Got a Senko tied up there, Sooner Red 5 3/8. Throwing them up against these weeds right here. Alright, throwing the Senko, just dropping it right in there. Let her sink. I got my fishing jersey on today. Last time I had my fishing jersey on, I caught a huge pike, so hopefully it's good luck today. Over to the other side of this cove that we're just fishing in. Throwing them right up in there. He's hooked up. Dude, what if it's that pike again? Oh, it came. We're fishing over there on the other side. We're back over on this side now. If we don't catch anything over here, we're probably gonna go troll around these houses over there and see if we can get some fish. We caught some fish over there last time we fished. We're fishing over in this spot we're in now. It's about 6 foot deep, so you want to let your Senko sink for quite some time. Look at the bass. I just reeled this fish in thinking it was a weed. It's so small. Little bass. Should we get a release shot on him? No. We're gonna give this spot about 5 more minutes and move over to around these houses and stuff over there. Other corner. He's hooked up. Dude, do you want that? Oh. Follow me on Instagram. 306 followers in 2 weeks. I got all these pictures on there. Jared Fishing Adventures. Alright guys, moved to the other side of the lake. We're fishing in this corner now. Gonna cast it out there and see if we can get something. Any tension on your line at all, I recommend you just try and set that hook. You never know what it's gonna be. Oh yeah! I'm hooked up right now. Yes, guys! Yes! Just got this nice fish right here. Nice and healthy. Just give her a kiss. Alright. Gonna cast it right over here into the same spot where I just caught that other one. See if he's got a little brother or sister over here. We're gonna go around all these houses, see if we can pull a bass out of here. Where is it? Oh my god, that's a hog, bro. Yes! 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 Dude, that's a freaking hog. Go. Oh my god. Dude, that's gonna look like a pig in your video. Alright guys, we moved down just a little bit, casting it right up by this guy's dock. See if there's something over there. It just started raining out here a little bit. A lot of the time when I'm fishing in the rain, I don't catch anything. I catch most of my fish when it's sunny. Alright guys, we're switching it up to the Yo-Zuri Spook. It looks like a frog. Got this in my mystery tackle box. It's way calmer out here right now. So let's see if we can get a little late night bite. Alright guys, just taking the last couple casts of the night. It's getting pretty dark out here. We can't really see anything. It's been a pretty good day of fishing though.